Hello everyone, and welcome to BlueHat CyberSec Academy. This is the first video in our Cybersecurity series. In this series, we'll cover complete topics from all 5 domains of the Certified in Cybersecurity (CC) exam by ISC2. Whether you're just starting out or preparing for the CC certification, this series is designed to guide you every step of the way. Later, we'll also be exploring additional courses and certifications in the field of network and cybersecurity. Make sure you don't miss this video or the upcoming ones. Together, they'll cover all 5 domains you need to master for the exam. Whether you're preparing for certification or building a strong foundation in cybersecurity, this channel is your guide to becoming a cybersecurity expert. If you haven't already, subscribe to BlueHat CyberSec Academy and start your learning journey today. We are going to cover in today's video: Number 1, Introduction to the Confidentiality, Integrity, and Availability, or CIA Triad. Number 2, we will dive deep into the CIA Triad. And number 3, we will also discuss CIA in the real world. Let's start by discussing the confidentiality, integrity, and availability, or CIA Triad, which is a fundamental concept in cybersecurity. When defining security, it is common to use the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means permitting authorized access to information, while at the same time protecting it from improper disclosure. Integrity is the property of information, whereby it is recorded, used, and maintained in a way that ensures its completeness, accuracy, internal consistency, and usefulness for a stated purpose. Availability means that systems and data are accessible at the time users need them. The purpose of these terms is to describe security, using relevant and meaningful words that make security more understandable to management and users, and define its purpose. Now, let's dive deep into the CIA Triad. It's a key concept, so we'll talk about it in detail. Achieving confidentiality can be, well, a difficult balance, especially when many system users are guests or customers, and it's not always clear if they're accessing the system from a compromised machine or a vulnerable mobile application. So, the security professional's obligation is to regulate access, protect the data that needs protection, yet permit access to authorized individuals. Personally, identifiable information, or PII, is a term related to the area of confidentiality. It pertains to any data about an individual that could be used to identify them. Other terms related to confidentiality are protected health information, or PHI, which is information regarding one's health status, and classified or sensitive information, which includes trade secrets, research, business plans, and intellectual property. Another useful definition is sensitivity, which is a measure of the importance assigned to information by its owner, or the purpose of denoting its need for protection. Sensitive information is information that, if improperly disclosed, confidentiality, or modified integrity, would harm an organization or individual. In many cases, sensitivity is related to the harm to external stakeholders, that is, people or organizations that may not be a part of the organization that processes or uses the information. Integrity measures the degree to which something is whole and complete, internally consistent, and correct. The concept of integrity applies to information or data, systems and processes for business operations, organizations, people, and their actions. Availability can be defined as, first, timely and reliable access to information and the ability to use it, and second, for authorized users, timely and reliable access to data and information services. The core concept of availability is that data is accessible to authorized users when and where it is needed, and in the form and format required. This does not mean that data or systems are available 100% of the time. Instead, the systems and data meet the requirements of the business for timely and reliable access. Some systems and data are far more critical than others, So the security professional must ensure that the appropriate levels of availability are provided. This requires consultation with the involved business to ensure that critical systems are identified and available. Availability is often associated with the term criticality because it represents the importance an organization gives to data or an information system in performing its operations or achieving its mission. The need to safeguard information and system integrity may be dictated by laws and regulations. Often, it is dictated by the needs of the organization to access and use reliable, accurate information. Data integrity is the assurance that data has not been altered in an unauthorized manner. This requires the protection of the data in systems and during processing to ensure that it is free from improper modification, errors, or loss of information, and is recorded, used, and maintained in a way that ensures its completeness. Data integrity covers data in storage, during processing, and while in transit. Information must be accurate, internally consistent, and useful for a stated purpose. The internal consistency of information ensures that information is correct on all related systems, so that it is displayed and stored in the same way on all systems. Consistency, as part of data integrity, requires that all instances of the data be identical in form, content, and meaning. System integrity refers to the maintenance of a known good configuration and expected operational function as the system processes the information. Ensuring integrity begins with an awareness of state, which is the current condition of the system. Specifically, this awareness concerns the ability to document and understand the state of data or a system at a certain point, creating a baseline. For example, a baseline can refer to the current state of the information, whether it is protected. Then, to preserve that state, the information must always continue to be protected through a transaction. Going forward from that baseline, the integrity of the data or the system can always be ascertained by comparing the baseline with the current state. If the two match, then the integrity of the data or the system is intact. If the two do not match, then the integrity of the data or the system has been compromised. Integrity is a primary factor in the reliability of information and systems. Availability can be defined as, first, timely and reliable access to information and the ability to use it, and second, for authorized users, timely and reliable access to data and information services. The core concept of availability is that data is accessible to authorized users when and where it is needed and in the form and format required. This does not mean that data or systems are available 100% of the time. Instead, the systems and data meet the requirements of the business for timely and reliable access. Some systems and data are far more critical than others, so the security professional must ensure that the appropriate levels of availability are provided. This requires consultation with the involved business to ensure that critical systems are identified and available. Availability is often associated with the term criticality because it represents the importance an organization gives to data or an information system in performing its operations or achieving its mission. Now, let's talk about CIA in the real world. Maintaining the CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, requires a comprehensive and well-structured approach. These three principles form the foundation of all cybersecurity practices. Confidentiality ensures that private or sensitive information is not exposed to unauthorized individuals. It involves protecting personally identifiable information, or PII, so that only those with proper permission can access it. If you are part of a cybersecurity or security operations team, your primary responsibility is to safeguard the assets and information belonging to organizations or individuals. For instance, professionals working in banking, healthcare, or insurance handle large amounts of personal data that must remain confidential and protected from unauthorized disclosure. Integrity focuses on ensuring that information remains accurate, complete, and unaltered unless modified by someone with legitimate authority. It guarantees that data stays reliable and consistent for its intended purpose. When the integrity of data is compromised, the consequences can be severe. For example, if an unauthorized person changes a patient's medical records, it could put the patient's health and safety at risk. Therefore, one of our key responsibilities in cybersecurity is to maintain the security of data and prevent any unauthorized changes. Availability is equally crucial. It ensures that authorized users can access necessary information and resources whenever they need them. Cyber attacks that aim to disrupt operations, such as ransomware attacks, often target availability. When data or systems are inaccessible, businesses can't function effectively because employees and customers lose access to essential services and information. In the case of ransomware, access to vital systems and data may be blocked until a ransom is paid, resulting in significant downtime and operational disruption. In summary, confidentiality, integrity, and availability work together to uphold the trust, accuracy, and accessibility of information, three essential pillars of effective cybersecurity. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't stop here. Keep the learning going and check out the next video in the series. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to BlueHat CyberSec Academy for more.